Your toddler is growing very fast and you're bothered, you're worried, you want to give this toddler a sound foundation at reading before it's too late. Yes, you have that cousin who is not reading so well and you don't want your child's case to be that way. Well, I have a good news for you. I will be starting a 30 days toddler reading challenge where I'll take you as a parent into what I'll be doing with your child if I were to be your child reading coach. By the way, my name is Simitope Downsy and I am a reading coach, your go-to reading expert if you want that child to read like this. All right, so stay glued to this page and I'll be telling you what to do on a daily basis.